Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin and altcoins a little bit up yesterday. The Nasdaq pulling back very heavily on the Friday close of the stock market. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you technical analysis where I would open trades on both of them. I use Bybit for trading, OKX for trading. BingX is good for US citizens. Binance is good for banking and transferring money. I'm going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, show you where I would open trades. It is the weekend, so in 12 hours, I will do Bitcoin and another altcoin. Let me know the ticker of what you want me to analyze down below. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technical. And the market, you can see the tech stocks match down 5%, getting close to my buy orders. Unity down 3.8%, 3.5%. I've got buy orders at $24. Tesla down 2.9%. Meta 2.9%. Tech stocks just getting hammered. Intel 2.3%. TSM 2%. The Nasdaq down 1.2%. Google down 1.2%. Crazy drop on the Nasdaq, showing weakness in the MCRT up 2%. What else do we have that was up yesterday? Change by percentage. MCRT 2%. The rest of the market quite flat, no movement. Bitcoin 26,800. Longer term time frame. This is Bitcoin on the going back many years. You're looking at the charts. You can see volume increasing. Volume predicts price. So always remember this: volume predicts price. But the last few months, the last 5 months, we're seeing a drop off on volume. We're also seeing on the longer term time frames, when I zoom in onto the weekly, each candle represents 1 week here. When it's weekly down here, each candle, see down here, each candle represents 1 week. And you can see the last week we've had quite a bit of a drop on Bitcoin. We're also in this Elliott wave count that I've been talking about for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B, C correction to 24K. The C correction I don't think will take us much lower than 24K. 21K is also a major support. Weekly we're turning down though, so I do expect we're going to be dropping. 4-hourly daily stochastic is oversold. It is holding this little trend line that we have here. Bitcoin came on this AB wave, 24K to 28,500. I was a little bit off, and now it's pulling back, most likely coming down to this orange trend line, because this orange trend line you can see has been holding almost all year. We've been bouncing on it all year, so I do expect a bounce off this trend line, a strong one. So that's where I would go long on Bitcoin, taking this bounce off this trend line, and then I would be shorting it from there. Daily overbought. Oversold. 4-hourly oversold, turning up with buy volume coming in. Little bottoming formation, similar pattern that we had here, right? Everyone see this similar pattern that we had here back in September 24th. Now we're getting a similar pattern here. Safest place is to go long here, opening at 26,059, stop loss at 25,700 off this strong support, and take profit at 28,000. That's the trade. I would take 8.76, risking 287 to make 2,500 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's 25,000. With 100x leverage, $250,000 profits. That's one trade I would take. A riskier trade I would take is from here, but this is riskier, so keep that in mind. Stop loss just underneath, and take profit. That's the riskier trade I would take. And take profit at the target, this blue trend line. You can see that Bitcoin has been just between these two trend lines for quite a while, these blue lines. So that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin for a riskier trade. Risk to reward, it's opening pretty soon actually, this trade. Risk to reward is 12 times, risking 157 to make $1,900. So risking 157 to make $1,900 without leverage. With 10x leverage, 19,000, 100x leverage, 190. Opening the trade at 26,660, stop loss at 26,502, take profit at 28,500. Risk to reward is 12 times. Those are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. Again, this one is a more risky short-term trade. This is the longer, safer one off that trend line. I'll just leave it at Bitcoin now. This was just a quick update on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, and like you saw me under the video in the description, go down below. All the different exchanges, you get a $30,000 bonus when you trade using Bybit, using that link. OKX has a $70,000 prizes to be given away before the 31st of October. So you can check out those links. 2, take the crypto master course to learn what I'm doing here. And 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. And you can see here Microsoft finalized its biggest acquisition ever. It bought Activision Blizzard, the gaming company, for $68 billion, which is the biggest. The next one after that was LinkedIn for $26 billion. And this was interesting from the trial of FTX. Cohen, was Solana a centralized coin? Elson, yes, it was a VC Bitcoin blockchain that we could turn on and off at will. Did you ever need to turn it off? Yes, to liquidate users who were long. Who turned it off? FTX developers. So FTX was manipulating Solana, which is crazy news. Also, there's a chance still to win $50 of MCRT. It's the last day today. If you follow the celebrating the new Druid character in the game, check it out on MCRT, the play to earn game. The Druid character is now released. The Druid is powerful, versatile new hero who can control the battlefield with devastating effect. You can check out his moves and check him out in the game, and it's now available. You can play and earn MCRT. And again, OKX is having a prize pool. It ends 31st of October, so about 18 days left, 17 days, where you can unlock up to 60,000 in rewards using that link down below on OKX, which is beautiful. And in my account, 315,000 in here. My Bitcoin trade, $915 in the profits, 315,000 in here. I've got Bitcoin USD 121,000. My account's up 1,800 yesterday. Slight fluctuation, not much. Bitcoin 28,000. Uniswap 28,000, up 1%. My buys on Uniswap are doing well actually. I'm trying to buy it every time it pulls back. Doge up 1%. FXS up 1.2%. I bought more of that. MCRT up 4.6%. 22,000 of that. That's what I'm holding in my accounts, everyone. And again, join us in the Telegram where there's 9,000 of you trading together. Those are my updates on Bitcoin. In 12 hours, I'll do Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. And again, let me know the comments down below. Any ticker you want me to analyze. Smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and share this video with 3 of your friends. Click share button, share it onto WhatsApp, tell them to subscribe and join us. The gurus, and join us in Telegram, learn to trade. And anyone that's here in the bear market, you guys will be the multimillionaires in the bull market. Anyone that comes in the bull market, it's a little bit too late. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.